Hello everyone! Today we're going to recognize the letter Y. Are you ready? Let's go! Letter Y. What sound does the Y make? It makes the y sound. Shall we write the letter Y? We're going to start from the top. You can draw a line across diagonally. Come back to the middle of the line. And then we're going to back to the top, to the opposite side. Come down, make a V shape, and then the line down to the bottom line. Letter Y. Let's write the y sound. Again, we're going to start from the top, come down diagonally, go up, back to the middle line, and all the way down, and give it a little flick. Y sound. Can you see the letter Y? Let's name the letters. X, Y, G. Can you point to letter Y? Well done, super job, fantastic. Three more letters. Let's name the letters and find the letter Y. F, D, Y. Can you point to the letter Y? Well done, super work, fantastic. Can you see the Y sound? Let's say the sounds. X, E, Y. Can you point to the Y sound? Well done, super work, fantastic. Three more sounds. Let's find the Y sound. T, Y, B. Can you point to the Y sound? Well done, super work, fantastic. Let's spot the letter Y and color it when we find it. Let's look for the first letter Y. Well done, we found the first letter Y. Well done, great work, fantastic. Super well done. Great. Well done. So far we found 4 letter Y's. Yeah, well done. Fantastic. Are there any more? Yes, well done. That's the last letter Y. Fantastic. Great job, well done. We found all the Y letters. Now we have lots of sounds here. We're going to find the Y sound and colour it. Well done. We found the first Y sound. Let's look for the next one. Well done. Great work. Fantastic. Yep, well done. Another Y sound. Great work. Well done. Are there any more? Yes, great work. Well done. Is that it? No? Well done. Yes, we found the last Y sound. Fantastic. Well done, everyone. Which picture starts with the Y sound? Let's name the pictures. Yogurt. Juice. Eggs. It's not the eggs or the juice. Well done. Yogurt. Three more pictures. Let's name the pictures and find the picture that starts with the Y sound. Goat. Yak. Rabbit. It's not the goat or the rabbit. Well done. Yak. We have 3 colors here. We're going to look for the color that starts with the Y sound. Let's name the colors. Yellow. Red. Blue. It's not the red or blue. Well done. It's the yellow. Let's read some words that start with the Y sound. Y, a, k, y, a, k. Yak. Y, e, s, y, e, s. Yes. Y, a, m. Y, a, m. Yam. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Now, are you ready for your sticker? Let's have a look. Oh wow, look at that, a cuddly bear, and it has hot chocolate for you. Super work, well done everyone. Bye bye, and remember, keep on practicing.